No environmentally friendly cleaning program can truly be green without a neutral, multi-purpose cleaner with a positive environmental profile. EarthSense Multi-Purpose Neutral Cleaner is certified by Green Seal for environmental responsibility. The neutral formulation makes this an outstanding routine floor cleaner for finished floors, ceramic, terrazzo, marble, granite, linoleum, along with other surfaces such as desks, walls, counters, and painted surfaces. This readily biodegradable powerhouse does not contain VOCs, fragrances, silicates, chelating agents, acids, or caustics,